Today we will learn how to connect 6 3-pin female plugs with 2 switches or a single switch with an indicator. So here the board shows, this is a board which is showing 6 3-pin female plugs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with a indicator and 2 switches to control this plug. So how we have to connect it, we can learn that. So here I have connected, and there is a wire to connect it, a 3-core wire. So it is connected to a male plug. You can see here 3 wires are there inside here. So one is red, another is green, and one is black. So 3-core wire, red, green and black. So red color is nothing but it is a red is a line or live. You can mark it a L, and the black color is a neutral line, and the green color is connected to the earthing. So here it is, the 3-pin plug, male plug. One is earthing, live and neutral. According to that, red, black and green color is connected. Here this is the wire. It is having 3-core wire, red, black and green. So according to it is connected line, neutral and earthing. It is connected inside this box by opening this box, and it is connected. So this wire goes on to this plug. You can see these 2 plugs here, 2 switches, sorry, 2 switches you can see here, and 1 indicator bulb to show the line, and 3 female 3-pin plugs, So today we will learn how to control this 6 female plugs with 2 switches and an indicator, or 1 switch and an indicator. So here I have connected it through 1 switch. Let's see how it is connected. So once you have seen this male connection with a line, neutral and earthing, that is red, black and green. Next we can move on. The ends of this wire is connected here. You can see here. So this is a 3-core wire coming here. So it is having 3 colors. One is black, another is green, another is red. So this is the main live wire which is carrying the current. So this we can uninsulate here with a cutter, and we have to open this, and through this indicator bulb we will connect it to the switch, on off switch, and through this down point the live wire, again red color, is taken here and is connected to the line of 3-pin female plug. Continuously in series, this red wire again is connected to the line of second 3-pin female plug. Again in series, same is connected to the line point of third female plug. Same thing is carried to the line of third, fourth female plug. Again in series it is connected to the fifth and so on to the sixth. So we have a line live wire red color connected in series, and it is connected to a single switch to control it, and from there top it is connected to the indicator, and the live wire is going to the male female male plug, 3 core male plug as shown here. So it is going here. Next we have to take a black wire that is neutral. Again it is connected to the neutral point of the 3-pin plug. Again in series it is connected to neutral point of second 3-pin plug, again to the third 3-pin plug, again in series with the fourth 3-pin plug, again in series with the fifth female plug, again with the sixth female plug. So our line wire that is red color and black color is completed. All are connected in series one by one, all 6 plugs with a one controller switch, on off switch, and an indicator bulb. One is left free, so here only one controller is that with one switch. Now again the earthing wire, which is green color, so it is taken and connected to the earthing point of female plug, 3-pin plug. Then all the earthing point is connected in series. See here, second, and again this is third, again this is fourth, again this is 5, and again this is 6. So the connection is completed. So indicator one point is taken from any of the plug and given to the indicator for a neutral connection, and live connection is given here, and from here continuously we have taken it to the switch. So main, we will control the main line of the switch, that is red color, for which current is passing. So the controller put the switch is put here. So the switch is here, so it will control all the 6 female plugs. So here, so this is the switch, on off switch, and this is the indicator, and these are all the 3-pin plugs which are controlled to this switch. And this is how our connection is done to 6 female plugs with one controller and an indicator. So this is how the connection is done. If we will connect it to electricity, how it will work, we can see that. So I'll bring the connection here so that we can see how the connection can be done. So here, if I'll put a connection like this, you can see the indicator, it has glown here. So here we can see the glown, and I have connected it to a plug here. You can see a 3-pin plug is connected, and this is how the connection is done. So this connection is done in this way, that all the proper connection has to be done. This is how the connection is done, and you can check the indicator is on. Through a line tester we can check whether current is coming in the line or not. So this is a line tester through which you can check whether current is coming. See here, See here, it is glowing, tester is glowing, showing that current is present in a line. Same thing you can see here, current is coming in a live wire. Same thing. So this is how through tester we can check. This is a control switch which if we switch off, then there is no, so this to switch, if you switch off, there is no current. So there is no current. As soon as you switch on, so you can see the current. So this is the main switch through which we have put the control. This is is of no use. Only through one switch we have taken a control. This is the indicator lamp, and through one switch all the 6 pins are collected. We can check it through a line tester by switching on. You can check it. So this is how your 6 plugs, female plugs, can be controlled through one switch. Wiring can be done. So in future video we will learn how to connect a single plug, male, female and everything one by one. Till then, have a nice day. Subscribe the channel. We will be back with some more knowledgeable video.